this episode, I'm going to talk about an application which is made by a partner who is based outside the UK, and the sponsor is based in the UK. My name is Andrew Nyamayaro. I'm a solicitor at Tanlo Solicitors. So many times I do get clients who wants to bring over their partners from outside the UK. And under the immigration rules, the word partner means an unmarried partner, a fiancé, a spouse, and a same-sex partner. For you to be able to come to the UK as a partner, you need to meet the immigration rules requirements. And under the immigration rules, one thing that you need to meet is suitability. To show the immigration authorities that you're a suitable person to come to the UK. There is also the requirements of eligibility. And under eligibility, for example, you need to be someone who is over the age of 18 years. And your partner needs to be legally in the UK. And your relationship between the two of you should not be within a prohibited degree of a relationship. Also, under the immigration rules, you also need to prove the relationship that you have with your partner. And so many times we advise our clients to give us evidence which show that they are in a relationship with their partner. Such evidence might include the communication that they have between the two of them, such as WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, emails, or even telephone calls that they have made to each other. We might even ask clients to produce marriage certificates or any other documents that might show that there's a relationship between the two of them. The major or one of the main requirements that you need to show under the immigration rules is that the sponsor who is based in the UK earns at least 18,600 per annum from either employment, self-employed, or being a director of a business. There's, however, other ways of proving the income that you earn in the UK. You might have the sufficient savings under the immigration rules, or you might be earning a pension that is recognized under the immigration rules, or there are certain benefits that are also recognized, such as PIP, that can also be used to support someone who is coming from the UK. So to prove the financial requirement, you need to submit 6 months pay slips. If you are employed, 6 months bank statements, and a letter from your employer confirming that you are employed on a part-time basis or on a full-time basis. And for the relationship, as I mentioned, we might include information such as your marriage certificate, communication that you do if you are sending your partner outside the country money by Western Union or a MoneyGram or another remittance company that you might use. The person who is outside the country is also expected to pass English on at least A1 level, so they need to do the English test as well. And it is also important to show to the Home Office that there is sufficient accommodation for the partner to come and join their sponsor or partner who is in the UK. So this are the requirements of a partner coming from outside the UK, coming to join their partner who is in the UK. In terms of the process, the person, if they are not in their own home country, should be legally in the country where they are staying. So if they are, for example, an American citizen and they are staying in Canada, then they should be legally staying in Canada, and they can make an application whilst they are in Canada if they are not in their own home country. The process is done online through the .gov UK website, and we can assist you as a client to go through the process for doing the application form online, to do the support letters, to check all the evidence that you need to submit, and to see if you meet all the eligibility requirements for the application. The applicant is required to go in person to submit the application at Visa Submission Center, and on standard the application takes at least 3 months for mainly in most countries for decisions to be made. However, there is a provision of a priority service whereby you can jump the queue and your decision is made earlier than most standard applications. Most of the applications will require the applicant to give their passport, the English test certificate if they are required to do the English test, and whatever evidence they have at the visa submission center. The evidence that is with the partner in the UK can be sent direct to the Home Office in the UK in Sheffield, and they can deal with the evidence here in the UK. So these are the requirements that are required for someone to come to the UK to join their partner. And if you require more information, you can contact us on the details that appear on your screen. Thank you.